Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayushita and I'm from Al-Maksum Junior High School. Today I will show you how to make a soap dispenser. Here I have three materials. They are a small jerry can, an empty soap container, and a straightened metal hanger. As for the tools, I have a cutter. So, let's get started. First, unscrew the palm of the empty soap container. Second, screw shut the palm to the jerry can lid. Next, cut the bottom with the cutter. After that, cut two small holes on the side of the jerry can. Next, insert the metal hanger into the holes. And don't forget to tie it up on the top. Now, you can pour the floor cleaner or the dish soap into the soap dispenser. So I want to use this one. And that is how you make a soap dispenser. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.